Hello people, welcome once again to Kitchen Flavors. Today we are back with another air fry recipe, which is the crispy chicken bites. We start by slicing our fresh chicken breast into pieces. To this fresh chicken breast, we'll be adding some seasoning powder. We are using chicken seasoning. Then we add a pinch of salt to it. Next, we add garlic powder. I'm using dry garlic powder. Then we add some cayenne pepper, some paprika powder. Next, we add some roast paprika. Then we add our thyme, our white pepper. This is gonna be so spicy and crispy. But these spices, the spicy ones, the real spicy ones are optional. We're adding a pinch of black pepper to it. It's optional. Like if you want to make it for kids, you don't have to put all these extra hot spices. Next, we add some soy sauce. Then we're going to give all this a good mix. We give it a good mix. Let all the spices and the seasonings they enter well into our chicken breast. Then we let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. It can be more, but we allow it marinate. Now we have our corn crumbs, and to it we have the same spices we use for our seasoning. We add the same spices to these corn crumbs. Then we are going to mix it together. So the inside of our chicken should not have a good taste and the outside is crispy but not having a good taste. So we mix the spices together. Then we have beat egg. So now we start by soaking the pieces of our chicken into the egg. Then we rub it on the corn crumbs, the spicy corn crumbs. Then put into our air fry pan. We're going to do the same for all the pieces. Soak in egg, right up in the corn crumbs. Now this is it. After rubbing all our pieces, this is how it looks. It is already set into our air fryer. We are going to put it in and turn on our air fryer. For this recipe, we're going to be setting an air fryer on 180 degrees and we're going to cook it for like 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, our healthy chicken is ready. Look how crispy they look. I can't wait to have a taste of it. Oh my god. So here's our final look. Thanks for watching. Bye.